Hello, in this video I demonstrate how to create an Excel table and also how to remove the table, right? Because many times people tend to struggle once they've actually created the Excel table and then they want to go back to what it was originally. How do you get back to this? What you actually see here. So again, it's important to understand what an Excel table is. It is a structured data organization tool within Excel that will actually allow us to efficiently manage and analyze the data sets of information. Again, it enables us to do a variety of things like sorting, filter, and formatting of data. So there are times when we want to use it, and then there are also times when we want to go back to the original data. Right, so first of all, let's just see how we can actually create the Excel table itself. First of all, your pointer must be within the data range itself, and then we can go ahead and say insert table, and then we go ahead and say okay. All right, so here now we have got the table is actually being created. You can see the formatting is automatically adapted, and we see some list arrows. That gives us the flexibility that we need. So if we click on any of these list arrows, we are able to do some sorting, sort by color, or which is actually our custom sort, or we can do filtering in a variety of ways, where we can only include the information that we need or exclude certain information, right? And again, here it enables us to select what sort of information from those rows we can also have on that particular report, right? So we're actually able to do that. So many times we activate this, and then of course we do all the filtering, the sorting, and so forth. Then at some stage you say, well, we want to go back to the original data. Now here comes the problem. As long as you are inside the data itself, you'll see a function that is called convert to range. That's the one that takes you back. Right, so you click on it, and it will warn you, do you want to convert the table to a normal range? Say yes, right? And when you do that, it has actually done that, but it keeps the format, right, or the table style there. So many times people find it annoying because they cannot quite tell if the table is actually being removed. So now what you can do is you can actually go to clear, right? So we can say we want to clear the formats, right? So of course you have to select everything, and then we can go ahead and clear formats, right? So it does that for you, but certain type of data may also lose its format. For example, the dates here, they've actually lost the format, right? Then all you can do is just go there. You know this was actually supposed to be a date, so you can bring back the dates. Now all of a sudden the dates are now reading correctly because it just needed to be the correct format there. And then otherwise we have actually gone back to the original data, and there's no formatting of the table styles and things like that, right? So otherwise the alternative would be just to remove the table style itself, right? Okay, and just as a matter of interest, so removing the table style may not really work when you have already deactivated the Excel table, right? So this is where we're actually able to use the clear formats. And of course, when actually using this, be very careful, because you may, if you clear all, it actually means that even the contents will be removed from there, right? For example, if you were to do this, you see everything's actually cleared, and do that comes back. Or if you're going to say clear contents, again, it removes the contents. That's not what we want to do. We only want to clear the formats, the formatting, right? And then of course, always remember to make sure that the data looks right. And of course, I go under numbers here And here we are looking for the short date format, and that brings it back. I hope you find this very helpful, because many times many people find it so annoying that the format, the table style is actually being kept there once you go back to the original formatting. And of course there's a way to remove that, and of course making sure that whatever the format for unique type of data such as dates or it could be amounts must be correct, and that's all you have to do. Otherwise that takes you back. Well, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and again, like the video, share the video, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you, and bye for now.